doing my face for my birthday. Today is my birthday. Say happy birthday. This will be long after, more than likely, to how I'm editing. But check out my birthday look. So this is the finished birthday face. Hair looking good, face looking good, I must say so myself. Book your girl if you want face like this. Yeah, book a good glam, book a birthday glam. Hey, but yeah, this is my look for my birthday. Bye guys, and remember to wear the best you for the world to see.
And girl, you're pretty enough to hide your face. You get anything you want, you can have your way. Pretty in a real life, filter face, exclusive, extraordinary.